How video games are shaping the minds of a generation. Video games have become a staple of modern culture, but are they reshaping the minds of players? Let's explore their influence. Why did the gamer break up with their console? Because they needed some space. Cognitive benefits. Research shows that gaming can improve cognitive skills like memory, focus, and multitasking. Impact on problem-solving skills. Many games require players to solve complex puzzles or strategize under pressure. Social interaction in gaming. Multiplayer games create virtual communities where players interact and collaborate. The role of storytelling. Video games offer interactive storytelling, enhancing empathy and emotional engagement. Educational games. Games are used in education to make learning engaging and interactive. Hand-eye coordination. Gaming improves reflexes and coordination, especially in action or sports games. Mental health effects. For some, gaming provides stress relief, but excessive play can lead to addiction. Career opportunities in gaming. Esports, game design, and streaming are growing fields within the gaming industry. Influence on perception. Games can alter perceptions of reality, with augmented reality creating immersive experiences. Physical health and gaming. Prolonged gaming may impact physical health, necessitating balance and movement. Gamification in life skills. Skills from gaming, like teamwork and resilience, can translate to real-life situations. Gaming and memory. Certain games boost memory by requiring players to remember patterns or strategies. The future of gaming. VR and AI are creating new, immersive experiences, expanding gaming's role in daily life. Video games impact players' minds, enhancing skills like problem-solving and focus, while also posing risks like addiction. With balance, gaming can be both enriching and entertaining for future generations. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.